How to do it. Let me show you how to do it.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to be reviewing this Mjjc Foam Cannon Pro, and this stuff have very high rating. I've made some videos with some foam cannons, and this one received a lot of high rating, so I just wanted to try this out and see how it is as compared to the other one. This brand seems to grab a lot of attention, and apparently make their really good stuff. So got one of these. You can buy it from Amazon, and even on their website, you can buy stuff. So let me see what comes with it. So all right, as soon as I open it, nice, it comes with the connector. Of course, you need this to put your soap in, and the most important thing is the actual cannon for the foam. So now from the looks of it, it looks like the quality is very good. It's heavy stuff, it's not cheap light stuff, so it's really well made. And that's what you want to look for when you're buying one of these. Look at this, really good quality stuff, well made. It's not like plastic cheap stuff. So really well made. I'm kind of impressed with the quality. Wow. And of course, you have these connectors, comes with it, pipes and stuff, and of course the paperwork. Let's see, kind of tells you a little bit instruction how to use it. So we're going to fill the bottle with 900 milliliter of water, followed by 100 milliliter of car wash shampoo detergent, and assemble adapters, tubes with foam cannon body, connect the body to bottle and attach it to the pressure washer. All right, so the pressure washer I'm using is this one right here. You can use any one of them, but this is a Sunjo electric 2030 pressure washer, and I'm going to be connecting it to the gun right there. So let me go and do the setup, and then we'll see how this thing works. Okay, so I got myself some water filled in, and this is the one I like using, Mr. Pink from Chemical Guys. And the reason I use this is because it does not have any polish or anything like that in there. It's just surface cleaner, pure. There is no wax or anything, and I don't really like wax on my car. I'd like to wax it myself, but this one has ceramic coating, so I'm not going to be using any kind of wax anyway. So definitely want to make sure you use something that does not have wax. This is a pure shampoo. So anyway, so I connected the pipe to the nozzle at the end, and I really like this stuff that they have this weight at the very bottom to keep this pipe, inside dangling. So, all the way, so you get the most you can from this. And of course, it comes with a lot of spare parts, in case if you need that, which is great. And even the plastic that they use is very good quality. So right off the bat, I can tell, it's a nice quality product. And now this stuff is mainly, how much you really like it. I normally use 2 squirts, or maybe a little bit more, and that gives me plenty. I don't really need to fill this up, 100 milliliter. This stuff is pretty nice. Plus I have soft water, so of course my foam is going to be a lot more better when I do it on the car. If you have soft water, I have a water softener back there. It just makes car washing a lot easier. It gets you a lot of foam because there's no agents mixed in the water, there's no calcium and things like that, magnesium. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on, tight this up, and just make sure it's nice and tight. So before you connect the pressure washer gun, you need to connect this adapter, and this thing just goes on the front just like that, and just tie this. And then this is kind of like the easy connector, so all you have to do is just tie this piece right there. It goes on fairly easy. I think it's nice and tight. Make sure this guy is really nice and tight, and this guy is really nice and tight. From here, you can adjust the flow of your, so there you go. So now you can open it and adjust it however you want to. And now what I need to do is just disconnect this guy and just use the easy fitting right here, and I'll be good to go. Okay, so everything is nice and done, and here is my setup. As you can see, I adjusted that, and this is nice and tight. Just make sure everything is nice and tight, and you may want to shake this a little bit, which I already did, you know, but just shake this solution in there, and now we can go and blast it. Now I may have to adjust this. There you go. Right now it was a lot more open, so depending on how the setting is, you know, and how much pressure you're putting out from your machine as well. This one is not a gas machine, so of course it is not the best performance pressure washer that I'm using, but you know, one thing I like is it really gave me really thick foam, which is amazing. Normally I don't get this thick foam, you know, from the other ones that I've tried. You know, this one is really giving me a lot of foam, which is amazing. It helps, you know, to settle in and get all that dirt and everything dissolve, as you can see right there. Oh, it's loosening up all the dirt and debris. So now one thing, just make sure when you do this, you know, your car is not in the sun, because you don't want this stuff to dry on your car. So make sure the car is nice and cool, spray it with water, and then do it. So anyways, you know, overall I think it's an amazing product. It's really high, nice build quality, you know, and I think so far I love it. And just I only used like half of it and already covered most of my car, so just pretty good. Anyways, I'm gonna do my truck next. So hopefully you guys like the video, and if you like it, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you.